tried this candy like when I was 5. So guys, well, we already ate this because that's my favorite. But now we're gonna try these 2 candies that I didn't try before. So let's do this! Let's do this! I mean, let's do the goblet first. Ooh, there's a tail. Strawberry. Like boba tea. It looks like boba tea, but they're gummy and mini boba. Wow. They have like lemon and like milk tea. Yeah, milk tea. Like grape tea. Grape tea? Oh yeah. Well, now let's try it. I gotta try. I made the one of you, so I tried the other. Well, I don't like strawberries, only my brother. But let's try it in 3, 2, 1. My God, different. They got the juicy center. Whoa! It has a juicy center. 4 kids can enjoy it. Only you need to eat one because it's more sugar. And we're gonna eat this tomorrow. And the pot too. Pot 3, pot 4, pot 7. Now let's open the sushi. Well, I know you guys already watched the videos that everyone is using sushi food. But now let's out it. You can use this and I can use this. Uh-oh, the rope just falls down. It's okay, let's fix it. I like all of this. Can you get some marshmallow with a sour rope? I know that these are like nuts busters. Let's try this. It tastes like nuts. Because they're crunchy. Eat these for tomorrow. And now we're gonna eat these ones. We already tried. So tomorrow do not eat too much candy in only 1 day. Only eat a little bit of candy and save the others for 1 day. I know you didn't try this, but do you want to take a taste? It looks like that. And dip it on this middle, and it's so juicy. Do you want to try it? And file below. And let's try it. Well, we already tried it. Let's eat it. Cheers! Oh. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.